Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detective YouTube channel. And today we're doing another review. This is a review that we haven't really done any products on, and this is a wheel shampoo. So this is Breakthrough from High Definition Detail, and yeah, this is a great cleaning. On the bottle it says Breakthrough Wheel Shampoo, great cleaning power, ideal for protected and sensitive wheel finishes. So what we're going to do, these wheels are really dirty, so yeah, we're going to see how well it cleans on these wheels. You just use it as a normal shampoo, but it's more dedicated for yeah, your more coated and waxed wheels, to help keep the protection on there really. So we'll just run through the back. Breakthrough is a dedicated wheel shampoo designed to be added to your wheel bucket and agitated with your wheel cleaning tools. Breakthrough is unlike traditional paint shampoos. It is developed with a higher strength of cleaning power and has great degreasing properties. And then scrubbing tyres to applying tyre dressing, and great for degreasing wheel arches. So yeah, this is basically aimed at all your area of your wheels, so your wheels, your tyres and your wheel arches as well. So yeah, we're going to try it out on this Corsa today, and see how well it sort of cleans, and whether it foams up in the bucket as well. So let's see how many. Okay, so the dilution ratio is 300 to 1. So in one of our big buckets, we have to put about 25 to 50 millilitres in. So that sounds quite a lot, but yeah, we'll see how it foams up. Okay, so that's the shampoo in the bucket, and it's foamed up quite nice. So we've got quite a few wheel brushes to use on these wheels. So yeah, first thing I'm going to do is rinse the wheel off, and then yeah, we're going to get to it. Okay, so that's the wheel all clean. So we'll go on to the next one, and I'll speed the next few up, and then yeah, we'll come back and we'll tell you where you can get this product from, and yeah, whether I liked it or not. Okay, so that's the video done. Well, you've seen the application of the product. So yeah, we put about 30 ml into a bucket of water, put the jet wash in, foamed it all up, and then yeah, cleaned the wheels. So it has cleaned the wheels quite well. There's still some bits on the wheels that haven't come off. I think using a wheel shampoo is good if you've got your wheels protected, so coated or waxed. So these that are basically just off the production line, haven't got any protection on at all. Yeah, it's cleaned them up, but there's still some sort of like hard stuck on there. So I guess with a wheel cleaner, you would leave it to soak in a bit. But with the shampoo, it's hard for it to sort of like stick in that one area for a bit. So that's the only downfall. But what I'll do is I'll test this on coated wheels as well, because yeah, using a product that is, well, sort of helps you protection stay on your wheels or your paint, yeah, makes your money go further when well, after you've paid for having protection for it. So this is like this will be a good product if you got protected wheels, but it does clean quite well on sort of like standard wheels that haven't been protected. So this product, this is the Breakthrough wheel shampoo from High Definition Detail. You can buy this. This is £8, and £8 for this bottle. It's quite cheap, especially when, well, you get a full bucket full for sort of like 25 to 30 ml, which is good. Yeah. So go check these guys out. I'll put the link below. And yeah, cheers for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next Sunday for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.